How do you do data abstraction in Python? Data abstraction is one of the most essential concepts of Python OOPS concept, which is used to hide irrelevant details from the user and show the details that are relevant to the users. For example, we see the car from outside, but we did not see the inner parts like the car engine, which means that the outside of the car works as an abstraction. It hides the inner parts of the car. In Python, abstraction can be achieved by using abstract classes and interfaces. A class that consists of one or more abstract method is called abstract class. Abstract methods do not contain their implementation. Abstract classes can be inherited by the subclass and abstract method gets its definition in the subclass. To make the abstract class, an abstract keyword is used. So, Python provides ABC module to use abstraction in the Python program. Here you can see we are using ABC module. Okay. We will move to the next question. What is monkey patching in Python? We will learn about this question in our next video. Thank you.